If you remember, during his campaigns, was that, look, how to unite every Nigerian. 2, how to bring competence. It is not going to be only because you're a member of APC or you're not a member of APC. You want Nigerians who have the capacity to help him to deliver what will make Nigeria to be great. So with that standing, I have the belief that he means well for this country. I don't want to, when a government is formed, I don't want to be carried away when there are a lot of work to be done. Putting the best team is the first thing for him. Nobody can do it alone. Nobody has the whole knowledge. But the capacity to put in the best team will determine that, yes, this country is now ready to add to what the present administration has done. So I have that belief that he's really ready for a job. No president can do very well if he does not have that leadership that will cooperate with him. You remember what happened in 2015? That affected the performance of the present administration. So I think that the APC should see it for the interest of Nigeria. Let them respect the leadership of their party and the president to move forward.